Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop and Forge. So today we're going to heat treat a set of drawing out dies that I've made. So this is coil spring, 40mm diameter. Now I've left the curve in because with the curve facing out, it's actually not going to make that much of a difference to how well they work. So we'll be heat treating those today, giving them a trial run with some coil spring that I want to draw out for making some punches. So let's begin heating these up, warm up our oil, and get these done so we can try them out. We're just giving it a bit of a soak at the moment, just to let it equalise throughout, because it's a very large mass that we're going to be working with. Now we've got 8 litres of oil, so it should be adequate to absorb that amount of heat, but yeah, we'll see how we go. As you can see, it's fairly uniform in temperature. It's almost, probably pretty close to the right temperature at the moment. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not quite uniform yet. Alright, I think we're at temperature. Yeah, let's do this. Alright, we're getting up to temperature. We're just going to give it a bit of a soak, just to ensure that we are getting as uniform a heat throughout that piece of spring steel that's welded to the face. So you can still see that the bearing, or the working surface, which is the uppermost bit, is still a little bit darker than the rest. A bit of a soak, just to equalise things. We'll quench in a second. Okay. Hot oil behaves a lot more like water in thermal conductivity. It's very rapid, it has a lot of convection going on in it. And this oil is at the top of its temperature at the moment, so the bottom die is not going to be as hard as the top die, unfortunately. It should still be plenty hard enough. Okay, let's get that into the oven. Well, that's done a lot more than I can do on my anvil. tried because I felt like making something else today. The question is, does it make a mark? I actually need this, but see what happens. Oh yeah, nice mark there. It's a good one. It's the end of the day. We achieved what we set out to do. We made some punches. The drawing out dies, which are still on the treadle hammer, work a treat. They did in 5 heats what would normally take me 10, maybe 15 heats. Really made things go so much faster. Yeah, I can't be happier with that. Whilst waiting for the steel to normalise before cutting it and reforging for the ends, I made a little scribe as per Joey Van der Steeg's demo. And does it work? Well, yeah, sure does. So, and how well did the punches go? So I made 2 styles. I made standard centre punches, which work quite well. Quite happy with that. I also made a square punch, so it makes a square divot, which is easier to find when hot. So these square ones are specifically blacksmith's punches. It's another round centre punch. Good solid mark. These will be up in my Etsy shop. So if you're looking for a simple way to mark up work, the scribe is already spoken for. So, and I won't be making those commercially as it's not my design. So the square mark ones work really well, the round ones work exceptionally well. I've got a bit of linseed oil on my hands, but anyway. So, that's what I'm going to leave off today. Link to the punches, or rather to Matesy shop, down below. Patreon link down below. Donations there are just that, donations. Content will always be free. Those donations make it possible for me to get new lights, camera gear and so on, and will always be greatly appreciated. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, when you do, ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. So get out to your shop, have fun, but do stay safe, and I'll catch you for the next one.